There are several ways that we can bring text into Dreamweaver and populate our web pages. One way would be that you get these great ideas in your head, and they become words that travel down your arms to your fingertips, and you type them directly in Dreamweaver. Now, I guess I could have just said directly typing in Dreamweaver, but hey, that's just me. The second way would be to have a document or an article or something, a text document that's on a computer, text processing, Microsoft Word, etc., and bring that in. I can't assume that everybody that uses Dreamweaver or who's listening to me right now owns Microsoft Word. I would guess that quite a few of you do. So I want to handle this two ways. I want to handle it with a non-Word document and with a Word document because there is a difference between the two. The first thing I want you to do is open up the index.html document that we used in the previous segment. It should look something like this. That's all we did. Then I want you to go into the work folder for this lesson and open up a folder called docs, D-O-C-S, and you will see a document in there called wichita.txt. I want you to open up that document. I've already got it open on my other monitor, so I'm just going to drag over here and bring it over for you. There it is. What I want us to do is talk about copying and pasting. You can import too. Well, let's talk about this copy-paste thing. This is the thing that's more universal between Windows and Mac. There is some difference between how you can, or maybe how you will bring a document into Microsoft Word in Windows. You have a couple more options that we'll talk about later. This is universal Mac and or Windows. So go into Wichita.txt. I want you to select all the text. And you can do that with a Control-A. That's the easy way to do it. You could click and drag it if you want to. It's up to you. But get it all selected, and then go up to the word Edit on the pull-down menu, go Copy. All right, pretty straightforward. Let's go back into Dreamweaver. I want you to go Wichita Visitor Site, click to the right of that and press the Enter key because we need a space to put our text. You might think we're going to do an Edit Paste, but we're not. We're going to go up to the word Edit on the pull-down menu, but we're going to go down to Paste Special. In Paste Special, we have a lot of options that we can choose. For example, text only. Now this is text without character returns, without any formatting. I don't want it. Just give me the text and let me work it myself. You have text with structure. That would be paragraphs, so that'd be the character return, lists and tables, things like that. The others are grayed out because of the fact that we're not using Microsoft Word. So that's our next document. Just click OK. And as you can see, basically we have the text that was in the other document. Spacing in that sometimes can seem different. For example, if we look back at our original document, it doesn't seem like there's really a whole lot of space right there, but it seems like there's a lot right there because HTML runs a little bit different as it does its character returns or paragraphs. And if we press the delete key right here, we can at least move that up. So that would be one way to bring text in. Not really a lot of formatting going on. Everybody's got a text processing program they can use, and boom, you've got it. Let's look at Microsoft Word. Let's leave this text here. I want you to go to the end of the word community and press the Enter key to give us another line. We need more text. This document is a Microsoft Word document, so there might be some listening to me that might not be able to do this because you don't have Microsoft Word. But if you have Word, I want you to go into the Docs folder in your work folder and open up cityatwork.doc. And I've got it on my other screen, so I'm going to drag over here and get it. And here we go. A little bit of a bigger document, but it's fine. It fits. I want us to select all of the text, and of course this is a Microsoft Word document, and press Edit, Copy. Let's go back into our Dreamweaver document, and our cursor is blinking right there. What we're going to do next is go Edit Paste Special again. In this case, we have more options because we have a Microsoft Word document, we have text with structure, plus basic formatting, bolds, italics. Also, text with structure plus full formatting. Here's something that's happening that I really do like. Microsoft and Adobe weren't ever really necessarily competitors, but there were some things that they did that caused competition. They've both gotten smarter. Bill Gates, in a sense, has decided that if he makes his programs work better with Adobe products, he'll sell more Microsoft Office. So there's a lot of compatibility happening that wasn't there before, and I really do like it. You will notice we have a clean upward paragraph spacing option that's selected. The reason that's there is Microsoft Word can do things with the spacing between lines. It's called leading, which HTML can't do. So if you turn that on, it cleans up any paragraph spacing before and after stuff that you may have done in Microsoft Word. we can go all the way down to full formatting with styles. I'm talking paragraph character styles. It's pretty cool. We'll select text with everything. Now this goes away because we're getting full formatting now. And we'll click OK. And you will notice all of the stuff that was up here is now over here. The colors, the sizes, everything is the same. If I click up here on this paragraph, basically, as you can see down here, that's a heading 1. If we go back to the Microsoft Word document, as you can see, I made that a heading 1 style. You use the right styles, it can save you a lot of time. I've mentioned this, but I don't really consider Dreamweaver a word processor. I am much more comfortable in Microsoft Word. What I used to do is type the text and format it in Dreamweaver. Some of that stuff I don't have to do anymore, which is kind of cool because I can do it while I'm typing it in Microsoft Word and simply bring it over. So here are 2 ways to bring text in, one from a text document and one from Microsoft Word with all the formatting included. That's pretty neat. Save this document. We'll be using it in the next segment.